It's a common case to create CSS animations, but for the best results, you have to go beyond the hardest challenges of the technology. In this video, I will show you how to solve the rotation around ellipse problem. What is an ellipse? Ellipse is a stretched circle with different radiuses in the two main directions, one bigger than the other. It is relatively easy to create this shape with CSS. Just create a rectangle with the radiuses as sides and add border radius 50%. But how to make objects move on the ellipse's border? Every attempt to solve this failed. The examples online was so complicated I almost decided to quit until I found the secret. I need rotation to draw a rounded curve, but none of the ellipse's radiuses produce the right shape. The circle is absolutely symmetrical, while the ellipse has two axes of symmetry. So, I will use rotation, but move away from the absolute center of symmetry and stretch the circle into an ellipse. Here is the formula. Create an ellipse. Insert a circle in the center, equal to the smaller size of the ellipse. Now move the circle on the bigger radius until the borders of the two shapes touch each other. The point of the touch is the place where we position the element to rotate around the ellipse. Now we move the circle to the other side of the bigger radius and back, while rotating it on 30-60 degrees. See what happens. When the circle is in the middle, the rotation is 90 or 270 degrees, therefore the object is up or down. When the circle is on the sides, the rotation is 0 or 180 or 360 degrees, therefore the object is again on the right place. You can add this in your CSS animations, like in my next video, where I use this solution to create atom animation directly in the browser using decudela.com. Can't wait to see your version of this and other solutions. Post your work online in Decudela and share us a link in the comments. See you next time.